Hi, I'm not sure what exactly you want to achieve. I know only that you want portrait orientation, and I will try to give you some directions without knowing what exactly you want to achieve. So the first thing is to click on this padlock on the right side. When padlock disappears, that means this smart object can be edited, and this can be done by double clicking on layer's thumbnail. And now you are in smart object editing mode, and this topmost layer is actually a logo, which I think you don't want to change. I don't know what is your actually intention and what exactly you want to achieve, but I will assume you don't want to change this. You want to leave it as it is. And these two layers, bottom layers, effect actually, some kind of effect, and you can select them, Control T, and then enable this reference point, and then you can, let's say, bottom middle, for example, choose as a reference point, and then press shift and rotate for 180 degrees, and then move to position. And I believe you want to expand this, so I will shift and drag like this, and then I will confirm. So we have transformed these two layers, and now I will go to image, this is later, so image reveal all, and that will reveal everything that can be visible, actually every content that this image contains. And now you need to remove these transparent areas. There are many options to do that, and I will use probably easiest one, image, and then no, edit, wait a minute, image trim, sorry, and select transparent pixels. Based on transparent pixels, that will remove this part. Click OK, and now you have vertical orientation. I'm not sure you want to achieve this effect, but I'm just giving you some directions. And now you can click on this vector smart object, activate move tool, and for example, this auto selects. Sorry, I will undo. So select this layer and move it where you want to position. For example, like this, or Control T to enter free transform. I guess this is a vector smart object. This logo is vector, so you can scale it without any penalty. So you can scale it down, up, and position. And now the last thing is to click on this X and to save. To click yes, save, and you will be returned to main document. Now you need to go again to reveal all, and again you can use trim, transparent pixels, and you have your final effect, I hope. And then go just to file, save as, and save as new document to not override existing one. So this is my guess what possibly you want to achieve. If this is not good guess, you have some directions how to work with file. If you cannot figure out, then ask questions on Adobe Forum.